morning, my name is Rochelle Auras, and what I've learned from this video is that you need employees in your companies in order for your business to run smoothly, and also you need them to make money.
Hello, my name is Wade. I am here to speak about the rules and regulations in a company and within a training program. So rules keep us safe and it's also a guideline. In a training program, we need rules to keep us safe, guide us forward and push us forward to strive in a company. So rules are basically the essence which keeps us safe and keeps pushing us forward. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Khadima. And what I liked about the work ethics of the Empire Bus is the pointers that are teachability and dependability. Because when you are teachable, you are dependable. And when you're dependable, you're teachable. And it helps. And when you're dependable, it helps with when doing a job. We can really do a job and then other job can also be completed. And both of them will merge and make the workflow be in unison.
Good day, my name is Dylan Green. What I've learned from the video is that work ethics are important in a company business, as work ethics will help you pursue your goals and dreams, unlike being unethical in the workplace where you might lose your job for being unethical, not using professionalism.
My name is Level Baranos. Today I'll be speaking about the Empire Bus. So the Empire Bus is a level 1 female-owned South Africa company which was founded in 2020 amid our COVID virus. So the Empire Bus is basically a skills development that provides the skills to our youth. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Precious Van America. What I've learned from the video is that work ethics requires you all to respect each other so you all can build teamwork in the group.
Guys, my name is Caitlin Jacobs. What inspired me in the video was the fact that the Empire Bus and the Kluvuka Training College partnered and came together to empower young youth in the community. Thank you.
The Empire Bus and Kluvuka Training College. The Empire Bus is one black female-owned South African company. We have achieved full CSD compliance and obtained our products and services. Kluvuka Training College and the Empire Bus have partnered to failure to adhere to these policies may result in disciplinary action. Safety first, always prioritize development.
Daily tasks. Adhering to our policies, procedures, and daily tasks are crucial. Thank you.